Hey home cooks, welcome to Gregcipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of fried rice. Fried rice is basically just a stir fry with rice, vegetables, and meat if you want it, and just any kind of seasoning you want. It's really easy to make. I'm going to show you the way that I like to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is chop up about 1/4 of a yellow onion and some green onions. My other vegetables are just peas and corn. I have some frozen ones here. Obviously I don't have to chop that up. All I gotta do is heat it up and just saute it just a little bit. I'm also gonna chop up 1 boneless, skinless chicken thigh into small chunks. Last thing for prep, I'm gonna beat 2 eggs. For my rice, I have some medium grain rice that I boiled in the morning and then refrigerated so that it's cold when I fry it. I'm pretty sure if you try to fry it right after you've boiled it, the fried rice will get kind of mushy. So to avoid that, I have cold rice that I'm using. Ideally for fried rice, you'd want to cook it in a wok, but I'm going to show you that you can just use a large pan and it'll turn out just fine. So the first thing I'm going to cook in my pan is my chicken thigh. Once the chicken is cooked, I'm going to remove it from the pan and start sauteing my vegetables in a little bit of oil and butter. Once those are cooked a little bit, I'm going to push them to the side of the pan, and in the other side I'm going to cook my eggs. Once the eggs have started to firm up, I'm going to put in my rice. Now that I've added the rice back in, I'm also going to add the chicken back in. And don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Always season with salt and pepper. Once the rice has started to fry, I can add my liquid seasonings. I'm using soy sauce, and for a little extra tang, I'm using hoisin sauce. For a little extra flavor, I'm also going to add a little bit of sesame oil. Just a tiny bit, because this is strong. In the very last stage of cooking, now I'm going to add my green onions. And there you have it. My own personal style fried rice. As always, let's take a bite of what we made. I get the flavor of those vegetables. Everything's nicely seasoned with those sauces. It's really good. I hope you make it for yourself and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe for a new Gregcipe every Tuesday. Thanks for all your support in 2017. Let's push on forward through 2018 with a bunch of new great recipes. Thank you, and I hope you had a happy new year. And hot, it might, but it's fine. It's good. I'll show you myself. I'll do it. I'm gonna do it myself. Rolling, rolling, rolling on a river. You okay there?
Yeah, I'm with you.